Joshi, Assistant Professor at LG Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today we will discuss few examples of chain rule from partial derivatives. So let's begin with the first example. If r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square and v is equal to r raised to m, then prove that del square v by del x square plus del square v by del y square plus del square v by del z square is equal to m into m plus 1 into r raised to m minus 2. Also, the question can be asked as if r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square and v is equal to r raised to n, then prove that del square of v. So, in place of this, it is written as del square. Okay, so del square of v is equal to m into m plus 1 into r raised to m minus 2. So, let's begin with the solution. Here, r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square is given. Okay, so we have to differentiate this with respect to x. So from here r square we will get 2r into del r by del x. Here we are differentiating with respect to x, keeping y and z constant. So from this side you will get 2x and the derivative of this two term will be 0. Okay, so del r by del x is equal to x upon r. This 2 will get cancelled. Okay, next. Similarly, we can find del r by del y as y upon r. Just we have to replace this x by y. Okay, and to find del r by del z, just replace this x by z. Okay, so you will get del r by del z is equal to z upon r. Next, we have to find del v by del x. So first let's draw a tree diagram. Okay, so here v is equal to r raised to m is given and r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square is given. Okay, so v is the function of r. So we have to write this. V is the function of r and r is a function of x, y, z. So write down r is a function of x, y and z. Here we have only one variable, so here we will write d, and here we have three variables, so we will write del. Now the formula to find del v by del x is equal to dv by dr into del r by del x. Okay, now v is equal to r raised to m. So derivative of v with respect to r is what? M r raised to m minus 1 and del r by del x. Okay, this we have already found out. Its answer is x upon r. Okay, now simplify this. So you will get mx r raised to m minus 2. Bring this r in numerator. So you will get r raised to m minus 2. Similarly, we can find del v by del y as m by r raised to m minus 2. In place of x, we have to simply write y. And for del v by del z, in place of x, we have to write z. So del v by del z is equal to mz r raised to m minus 2. Next, we have to find del square v by del x square. So this is del by del x of del v by del x. Now we know the answer of del v by del x, that is mx into r raised to m minus 2, and we have to differentiate this with respect to x. Okay, so m is constant, so it is outside. So here we have to apply uv rule. Consider this x as u and this r raised to m minus 2 as v. Okay, now we know r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square, that is r is a function of x, y, z. Okay, so firstly apply this uv rule formula. So u as it is, x is kept as it is, derivative of r raised to m minus 2 with respect to x, that is m minus 2 into r raised to m minus 3, then derivative of r with respect to x, that is del r by del x, plus this v as it is, that is r raised to m minus 2 as it is, and derivative of x is 1. Next, we know the answer of del r by del x, that is x upon r. So just substitute this answer. So here we have x upon r. Okay, simplify this. This r raised to m minus 2 is taken common. So here we have m r raised to m minus 2 x, and this x will become x square m minus 2 as it is, and from here we will have 1 r will left from this and this r, so it will become r square plus 1. Okay, next. Similarly, we can find del square v by del y square by just replacing this x by y. So you will get m into r raised to m minus 2 into y square into m minus 2 upon r square plus 1. And also we can find del square v by del z square by replacing this x by z here. Okay, so you will get this del square v by del z square. Now we have to add this 1, 2 and 3. So on adding you will get del square v by del x square plus del square v by del y square plus del square v by del z square is equal to this m r raised to m minus 2 we have to take common, and from this here we will get x square plus y square plus z square into m minus 2 upon r square, and this 1 we have to add 3 times, so here we will get 3. Okay, now we know r square is equal to what? X square plus y square plus z square. So here in place of x square plus y square plus z square we will substitute r square and we have to simplify it. Okay, so you will get answer here. On substituting r square, this r square will get cancelled. So what remains is m minus 2 plus 3. So from this you will get m plus 1, this m as it is and r raised to m minus 2 as it is. Okay, so this we can write in the form like this, that is del square v is equal to m into m plus 1 into r raised to m minus 2, which is the required solution. Okay, now let's move to next example, that is if r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square and u is a function of r, then prove that del square u by del x square plus del square u by del y square plus del square u by del z square is equal to f double dash r plus 2 upon r into f dash r. Or the question can be asked as if r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square and v is a function of r, then we have to prove del square v is equal to f double dash r plus 2 upon r f dash r. So let's begin with the solution. Firstly, we have r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, so differentiate with respect to x. So from here r square you will get 2r into del r by del x, and from this side you will get 2xy because y and z are constant. When we differentiate with respect to x, this 2 will get cancelled. So answer of del r by del x is equal to x upon r. Okay, next one. Similarly, we can find del r by del y as y upon r and del r by del z by z upon r by just replacing this x by y and x by z. Okay, next we have to find del u by del x. Okay, now we know that this u is a function of r and r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So u is a function of r, so we will write this u is a function of r and r is a function of x, y and z, so we will write like this. Now here we have only one variable, so we will write d, and here we have three variables, so we will write del. So the formula for del u by del x will be du by dr into del r by del x. Okay, so derivative of u with respect to r, so it will be f dash r, and derivative of r with respect to x, so it will come x upon r. This we have solved previously, right? Okay, next so just simplify this. So here we have x f dash r upon r as del u by del x. Similarly, we can find del u by del y as y into f dash r upon r and del u by del z as z into f dash r upon r. Next, we have to find del square u by del x square. So the formula is del by del x of del u by del x. Now we know the answer of del u by del x, that is x f dash r upon r. Okay, now to solve this differentiation, here firstly we will apply u into v rule, and then in that rule we have to apply this u upon v rule. Okay, so for that just consider this f dash r as u and this x upon r as v. Okay, so firstly this f dash r is kept as it is and we have to take derivative of x upon r. So for that we have to apply this u upon v formula. Okay, so denominator as it is, so r is kept as it is, derivative of numerator that is 1 minus numerator as it is, so x as it is, derivative of denominator that is del r by del x upon denominator square. So here we have r square. plus this x upon r is as it is. Now we are applying this u into v formula. Okay, so x upon r as it is, and derivative of this f dash r is what? F double dash r into del r by del x. Here we are differentiating with respect to x. Okay, now we know the del r by del x is what? X upon r. So just substitute x upon r. So you will get x square and just multiply r here. So here you have r square minus x square and multiply 1 r here. So here we have r cube. Okay, other terms as it is plus. Again here x upon r. So here we have x square upon r square into f double dash r. Then similarly we can find del square u by del y square as f dash r into r square minus, in place of just x square, here we have written y square. Okay, and also here in place of x square, y square. Next, del square u by del z square. So for that, in place of x, we have to write z to get this answer of del square u by del z square. Okay, now we have to add this 1, 2 and 3 equations. So adding, and we have to take this f dash r common. So you will get del square u by del x square plus del square u by del y square plus del square u by del z square equals to f dash r into 3r square minus x square plus y square plus z square upon r cube plus, from the next term we will get like this, that is x square plus y square plus z square upon r square. We have to take common f double dash r. Okay, now we know this r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So in place of this we have to substitute r square. So 3r square minus r square. So you will get 2r square, r square will get cancelled. So we have 2 upon r into this f dash r plus r square will get cancelled. So we have only f double dash r. So this is our desired result. Next example is, if r square is equal to x square plus y square. This here you can see r is a function of two variable and u is equals to f of r. Then prove that del square u by del x square plus del square u by del y square is equal to f double dash r plus f dash r upon r. Or the question can be asked as, if u is the function of r and x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. So from this two equation we can write that r square is equal to x square plus y square. So we will get this similar question, right? And we have to prove the same thing. Okay, so you have to repeat all the similar step which we have done in the previous example by just removing this z component. So you will get this desired answer. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.